Hello everybody. In last video we saw how to separate even numbers and odd numbers between the two given numbers, and right now we are going to make development logic for the swapping. Now how are we going to do the swapping? I'm going to explain the logic for it. So here's the problem. We are getting some two numbers in two variables a and b, and we need to swap those variables between them. Now I'm going to explain the logic of swapping two fruits in the bowl. Now suppose I'm taking a bowl number 1 and another bowl number 2, and I'm placing apple in bowl number 1 and orange in bowl number 2. Now I have to swap these two fruits in between these two bowls, but I cannot swap it because it has only containing power of 1. Means if I will put this orange into the apple, there is no space for the orange in here. That's why I need to take one temporary bowl. So I'm taking third bowl and I'm placing this orange in the temporary bowl here, and then I'm placing apple in the second bowl, and then I am taking orange in the first bowl. So as you can see, I've swapped the values. Initially apple was in first bowl, now it's in second. So this is how you can swap the fruits in the real world, and just like that in the C language you have to swipe like this. So we have to take one another variable when we are going to do this. So let's develop the logic, and first let's take the input from the user. So print the value, ask the user to enter the value for a, then whatever it user will enter the value, you have to store that value into the variable a. So we are taking the integer value only, that's why percentage %d, and we are storing it in variable a. That's why we need to declare here integer a and b. So let's copy and paste and do this same for the b. Okay, now we have to make a logic. It's a very simple logic that we need one more variable, that's a temporary variable. So I'm taking a t variable over here, that's a temporary variable. So I'm putting the first value, the value of a, into the temporary value. So temporary variable, so I'm putting a into the temporary variable. My a variable is going into the temporary variable, and then I am putting the b variable into the a variable. So whatever the value is in the b variable, it's going to go into the a variable, and then whatever in the temporary bowl, means whatever in the temporary variable, I'm going to put it into the b variable. So now you can see, if I will print the value of a and b, the value will be swapped in between them. So let's see, let's print the values of a and b. The value of a equals to percentage %d, and b equals to percentage %d, and a comma b. Now I'm going to save this and run this, and now I'm going to give the value of a 10 and b 20, but when you see the answer, it got swapped between them, and 20 has come to the a and 10 has gone to the b. So this is how you can write the logic for the swap logic. Please guys, like this video, subscribe, share with your friends if they want to learn this, and keep watching my videos. Thank you.